Greetings, it's Daniels here. If you're working with code, there are times where you need to repeat certain events. In this case, I'm using PySimple GUI, and I've got a bunch of keys, and these are tied to events. So each key has its own event, which means I have to trigger or identify what happens after each one of those events. So this is Visual Studio Code. I'm going to select that text, Control F2, and it's going to show me where all of those F2 events are the locations of that particular key. So I'm going to hit the arrow key down. That's column 4. I'm looking for an event, and here is the event, and you can see that the event is pretty straightforward. It's calling this, it's going to open this directory, open this file, read it, and then it's going to update it. Now, I don't want to have to retype all of this, so what I did is I used a generator, a simple generator, where I named all of my adverbs. Here's the source, and then I'm just going to run it over for loop over it. And when I do that, control, let's actually clear clear that. I run this, control, oh sorry, not control, just control 5, F5. Now I have all of those events have already been pre-populated with the using an F string. And if I copy all of this to right here, control C, I go back to my code, and here is the code. So if event, I'm going to just paste it all in. Oh, right. I need to right click. I need to right click, copy, and now I'm going to paste. And you can see I've lost a little bit of my formatting. Not a big deal. I just highlight the text. Tab once, and that should do it. All right, so now I have each of my keys is being called, and that should qualify everything I need. And control F5, I have no errors. I go here, and here is my my column 3, and that all works. Yay! And now let's try events. But the adverbs, these are the adverbs I was targeting. And you can see that when I click on it, I get a new instance, much like I get, oh, I don't have that here. But you see that it does work as predicted. So there we go. That's a quick demonstration of how I use very simple for loops to generate repetitive code. All right, thanks for watching, and happy computing.